Hey guys, what's up? It's Maxwell here. Today with my friend Dylan. Social medias will be in the description. Make sure to check him out. Today we have a bunch of fidget spinners. We have 6 fidget spinners in total. We have cheap ones and expensive ones. We're gonna see which ones spin longer. Let's get right into this video. 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start. Okay.
Alright, we started the timer.
Almost a minute. They're still spinning. I think the blue one's about to lose right here. Hey, a minute, guys. About to end. Okay.
Stop.
There he goes. It stops at 110. Let's see how long this one can go for.
What? I'm gonna bop some jags. Oh my God.
Okay guys, so I ended at 341. Let's go on to the next fidget spinners. 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Start. Another one.
Stop.
108 for the red one. Let's see how long this one can go. Oh, okay. So the card went out to 2 minutes. Let's go on to the next 2 fidget spinners. 3, 2, 1.
Middle one stopped.
The green one won! Okay, so
this one ended before this one.
like a 2-second difference though. I mean, this is, if you want a cheap fidget spinner, make sure to go ahead and buy this from Walgreens, guys. Walgreens, please sponsor me. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Check out his Instagram. And if you want another video of me and Dylan with the fidget spinners, make sure to leave a like on this video. We're out.